Hello everyone and welcome. Today I'm going to walk you through how to edit live caption settings on Google Chrome. Let's get started. From the home menu, click on the three dots at the top right corner, click on settings, and then from here you scroll down to see accessibility, click on it, and live captions is the first option, and then you simply turn it on. So once you've enabled live caption for supported languages, then you can now choose the language by clicking on language. Then you have to download the language. So as you can see, English is not downloaded yet. So it's downloaded so you can make it the default you want. So here you can add more languages. Like clicking add language and choosing the language you want to add by clicking on add. It's as simple as that. So you can also hide profanity by turning this on. So your live caption settings have been done. It's as simple as that.